Hello everyone! Welcome to WEITAI TV. My name is Alisa. I work for the marketing department of WEITAI hydraulic company, and today we came to our hydraulic motor factory to show you around. As you know, modern engineering construction cannot proceed without construction machinery such as excavators, loaders, crawlers and others. And today we want to show you the essential component of each of these machines, which is a hydraulic motor. We would like to introduce you the WTM hydraulic motor series. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at this beautiful one. This is WTM-04. It consists of a travel motor, planetary gearbox and hydraulic valve. So this motor perfectly applies to 3.5 to 4.5 ton excavators. It can be a perfect aftermarket replacement for some famous hydraulic motor brands. So, if you like our product, please contact us, leave a message, subscribe to our channel. We'll be happy to talk to you. See you in the next video. Bye!